Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure health insurance with Cigna detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching your health insurance needs. Assess your personal health situation and budget. Identify specific coverage requirements, such as medical history or prescription needs. Visit the Cigna website to explore available plans. Browse through individual, family, and employer-based insurance options. Use the plan comparison tool to evaluate different coverage options side by side. Take note of plan details, including premiums, deductibles, and out-of-pocket maximums. Determine if you qualify for any financial assistance programs. Create an account or log into the Cigna portal if you already have an account. Fill out the necessary information to get personalized plan recommendations. Contact a Cigna representative if you have specific questions or need assistance. Gather required documentation, such as proof of income and identification. Complete the application form online with accurate personal details. Review your application for any mistakes before submitting. Wait for confirmation of your application status via email or phone. If approved, carefully read through your plan documentation. Take advantage of any member resources or wellness programs offered by Cigna. Set up automatic payments for your premiums to ensure continuous coverage. Keep your insurance information accessible for future medical needs. Stay informed about any changes to your plan or coverage options annually. Regularly assess your health insurance needs as your circumstances change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.